Good morning. In today's video, we will do the summary of the chapter, The Glimpses of India. So, we will do the first part with the summary of the first part, that is a baker from Goa. So, this part of the chapter, it gives a picture of the traditional Goan baker, and he has maintained his significance even in present society today also. So in Goa, some of the traditional traditions and customs, they are based on the Portuguese society. So different occasion in Goan society, they mark the different nature of the role and importance of bakers. So the festivals, social and family functions, they provide a special occasion for the bakers. So in this chapter, it is also given that the social life has left a great impact on the people of Goa. So the tradition in their society can be seen in the Goan life of modern society also. So Portuguese, they were very popular as bread bakers. They had the furnaces also in which they used to bake the bread. The work of the baker, it marks an important link between the present Goan life and the traditional life of the Portuguese. So, when the author he was a child, so that time a baker played an important place for children. So baker he used to visit twice a day, and when he used to come, so that time he used to hold a bamboo in his hand, and he used to just move it on the ground, and the children, they, after hearing the sound of the bamboo, they would get up, and the children, they used to run to meet the baker. So these children, they liked the bangles of special sweet bread. So bakers supported the basket of bread on his head with one hand, and with the other hand he carried the bamboo, and uh, he used to just make a sound using that bamboo. So the baker, he would come and he would greet the lady of the house and place the basket aside. So he had a variety of loaves for the people of all the age groups. So sweet breads, they were known as bol, and it was used as gift in marriages and parties. So a party had no charm without bread, and on the occasion of the engagement of a daughter, the lady of the house made sandwiches using the bread. So bread in the form of cake was considered a must for the Christmas festival. And all these things show how essential the presence of baker was. So in those days, the bread sellers, they used to wear a special dress, and it was known as kabai, and it looked like a single piece frock that reached down to the knees. So some of the bakers, they wore shirts and trousers which were shorter than the usual. So the bakers, they used to wear this dress only, and anyone who wears a trouser that was knee length, he was commented to be like a baker. So the profession of a baker was very profitable. So he used to collect the bills at the end of the month, and it was his family that never starved. They